ugly than that, Steve. I'm telling you right now, Soto's excited. He's upset. And I'll tell you what, it was a better round considering the first round was on his. But you won't know until you taste the power of a puncher like a Tyson, a puncher like a Dewey. What you have inside you, and now we know Andrew Golota will not deal with it. Not deal with it well.
And you hear the crowd reacting.
I said I'd be real surprised if this got into round 4, and I was not wrong.
Somebody just threw something in the ring that splattered all over us. The Golota corner is just distraught with this decision by their man, Andrew Golota. He wants to get the heck out of here. He's coming near us now, gets away. People are throwing things at him.
They're throwing popcorn, soda, beer, everything that they can.
Unbelievable sight here at the Palace of Auburn Hills. Golota being escorted off as fans throw things at him after he quits at the end of 2 rounds. Oh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Let's hope this doesn't really get out.